In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can get BSL shaders for Minecraft version 1.21.7. Let's go ahead and jump right into this. For more Minecraft tutorials, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. First things first, if you are in Minecraft, go ahead and close out of that. And yes, this does include the launcher, and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, we're going to use Google Chrome, but feel free to use whatever you would like. Up in the very top, go ahead and type in BSL shaders, just like so, and hit enter. And it's going to take you to a few different pages. You're welcome to use Modwinth if you want. I prefer CurseForge, but do whatever you would like. Go ahead and click on which one. I'm going to use CurseForge, and that's what this tutorial is going to go over, so that's what I personally recommend. And it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Find the little files category, just like so, and then select all game versions. And what you're going to want to do is change the game version to 1.21.7. If that is not listed for you, like in this case it isn't, select the latest version of Minecraft, which is 1.21.5. From here, scroll down, and what you're going to want to do is download the shader pack. Use this top one up at the top and click on these little three dots and hit download file. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You just need to wait for the 5 seconds to count down. Just don't click on any of these other links on this page. They are all ads. But it's going to download a zip folder for you, just like so. What I recommend doing is actually just dragging this onto your desktop. It'll make it a little bit easier for later. I'm going to put it actually right over here and close out of Chrome. Before you close out of Chrome, we are going to need to go ahead and get a shader loader like Iris or Optifine. If you already have something like that, you can go ahead and skip to the next step. If not, we're going to install Iris, which is lightweight and works great. Have a new tab opened up and go ahead and search Iris shaders, just like so, and hit enter. Click on this first link up at the very top, and it's going to take you to a website that looks like this. Hit download now, and then hit download universal jar. It's going to load something that looks like this. Just simply go ahead and click on this, and what this is going to do is open up the Iris installer. Just make sure that you have game version 1.21.7 on here, and then hit install, and it should download fairly quickly. Now what you need to do is close out of everything and open up that Minecraft launcher, just like so. You should notice once you do get loaded into Minecraft that it should say Iris and Sodium for 1.21.7 right here. If it doesn't say that, click on it and you should see it in here. If it says Iris and Sodium right here, just go ahead and hit play and get loaded into Minecraft. When you get loaded into Minecraft, select a single player world to just go ahead and preview those shaders. I'm going to create a new one for the example of this video. We'll do something like this. I'm going to put on creative and get loaded in. And once you get loaded into Minecraft, the shaders should already be applied. But if not, go ahead and hit the escape option and then go to options and then find video settings. Finally, up at the very top, you should see shader packs. Go ahead and select that. And if those shaders weren't already applied, what you need to go ahead and do is just grab that zip file and drag it in here. You should see it pop up in here. Go ahead and click on that and then hit apply, just like so. And it's going to apply those shaders immediately. You can go ahead and hit done again, done one more time, and back to the game. And as you can see, you now have those shaders on. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day.